Missing someone.
We're out in the middle of a frozen lake, doing some snowshoeing.
Yep.
And I'm going to fly my drone. This is really exciting.
Yeah.
I love it here. When drone flying goes awry, my drone is now in the middle of this lake. Thankfully, it's frozen enough that I think I can get it real quick. This stinks. Yeah, I know, buddy. Oh, yes. That was very scary. Oh, my hands are like shaking from being cold, but also having to walk across a lake to get the drone. I wonder if it still works. Okay. So I'm sitting and I'm editing the video and I'm realizing that I never talked about what happened and why I crashed, so I thought I might take a minute to talk about that. We were in the middle of flying it down, and down it comes, and it's coming down, and I think what happened was there was a guy that was walking with his dog, and the dog ended up jumping on Michelle. Friendly, not hurt, but she fell. Then he kept walking, and then Michelle asked me a question, and I just forgot to take my thumb off of the joystick. I realized at the split second that it was crashing that I needed to stop going down, and it didn't. So some of the things that were going through my head. What was the temperature the past couple of days? Because it's a few hundred feet out on this lake that is covered in snow, which makes it even more difficult to tell whether it's really frozen or just a little frozen. We had to walk a half mile to get to the point where you could walk across to where it actually was. The Find My Drone, where it gives you a GPS location, was pretty accurate. It was close. I mean, I started walking the wrong direction at first because it wasn't in the right spot, but after it synced up, it showed me on a map where the drone was, and it was located right off of a little inlet. So that was good. So anyway, long story short, everything worked out. It was a great day. We still had fun. So I have sent the DJI Mini 2 back to DJI with the DJI Refresh Care insurance that they sell. So far it's been pretty good. The claim was easy to set up. They sent me a shipping label in an email. I actually had to go to the store and buy a printer so I could print it because I don't own a printer. And I've never really needed one until right now. So now I have a printer, which is great. All right, that's enough of this intermission. Let's get back to the video. At this point, I'm trying to get it started again just to mostly see if it works, not even to fly it anymore, but I'm getting a whole bunch of errors. Navigation system errors, IMU errors, barometer errors, like everything. The sensor, the gimbal is going crazy, just twisting around. Nothing's necessarily broken on it, but those errors never went away and they could not be fixed. Something went bonkers when it went down. And it was probably there a good 45 minutes from the time that it crashed to the time that I did the Find My Drone. We walked to the area that it was, and then I got the confidence up to cross the frozen lake to go get it. All right. So not for nothing, but I initially took off in this direction, walking across to get the drone, which is the wrong direction because the drone ended up way over there. So I would have crossed this lake before I actually got the drone right over there. That's crazy. Jeez. Michelle, I'm really sorry that you were scared.
It's okay.
But it all worked out, right?
Yeah.
And it was kind of exciting.
Yeah.
And exhilarating.
What does that mean?
Exhilarating means it was exciting. It means it made your heart beat really fast.
It did. I definitely did.
That is something that definitely happened today. All right, let's go get some coffee and hot chocolate.
Yeah.
As happy as I am that I got my drone back, I'm really glad that I did not fall through the water. That would have been the worst. It's been single digits around here. The lake isn't huge. I was pretty sure I'd be okay. Oh my God, I need some coffee.
Missing someone.